Welcome. This tutorial is second part of how to organize messages in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, we will learn how to flag a message. Flag is basically a visual reminder which helps you to follow up an item. Suppose you want to flag a message. Select the message. To follow up an item, go to Actions menu. Point to follow up. By default, Microsoft Outlook include flags with dates such as today, tomorrow, this week, next week. Custom. You can select the custom date. You can also add a flag with a reminder. You can also set quick click option. With quick click, you can assign flags to item with single click. You can also flag an item by selecting it and clicking the follow up icon on the standards bar. You can see you have flagged an item. Flags for messages appear in the email view. Flagged item also appears in the to-do bar list. Now we will learn how to assign flag to items with single click. For this, go to Actions menu. Point to follow up. Click on Set Quick Click. Select the type of flag you want to assign to an item. Click on OK. Now you can assign this flag with just a single click. To add a flag with a reminder, go to Actions menu. Point to follow up. Click on Add Reminder. Select the date and time and then click on OK. This will add a flag with a reminder. To mark flagged item as complete, go to Actions menu. Point to follow up. Click here. To clear a flag, select the message. Go to Actions menu. Point to follow up. Click on Clear Flag. You can also remove a flag by selecting the message. Right click on the flag icon. Click on Clear Flag. You have learned how to flag an item in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.